Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. In this video, we'll see the solution for Science Journal for Standard 8, experiment number 7. The aim is to prepare a slide of check cells and to observe it under the microscope. The apparatus and materials are toothpick or spoon, slide, cover slip, blotting paper and microscope, and the substances to be used are iodine or methylene blue. And you need to draw the same figure on the right hand side where the space is given. And the procedure is: take some water in watch glass and add 2-3 drops of methylene blue in it. Take a clean spoon or toothpick, gargle 2-3 times with water. Move the margin of spoon or toothpick slowly on the inner surface of the cheek. Transfer the material from the spoon or toothpick on glass side. With the help of a dropper, put 2-3 drops of methylene blue on it from watch glass. Keep cover slip on this slide. While doing this, care should be taken that air does not remain in it. Remove excess water with the help of blotting paper. Observe prepared slide with the help of a microscope. And the observation is: several cells systematically arranged, touching each other by their margins, are seen. A nucleus and cytoplasm are seen in each of the cells. And the conclusion is: cells on the inner lining of cheek possess cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus, but cell wall is absent. Now test your knowledge. Question number 1 is MCQs. First one: what is the basic structural unit of an organism? It's option number D, cell. Second: which of the following is the largest animal cell? It's option number B, egg of an ostrich. Third: who is known as the living substance of the cell? It's option number C, protoplasm. Fourth: which organelle is essential for photosynthesis in plants? It's option number D, chloroplast. Fifth: which of the following are prokaryotes? It's option number D, bacteria, blue-green algae. Now question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one: pseudopodia facilitate movement and help in capturing food in amoeba. Second: a group of similar cells performing a specific function is called a tissue. Third: the central dense round body in the center of the cell is called nucleus. Fourth: a structure separating the nucleus from the cytoplasm is called cell membrane. Fifth: the basic components of a cell are cytoplasm, nucleus and cell membrane. Sixth: chlorophyll in chloroplast of the cells of leaf is essential for photosynthesis process. And here we come to the end of experiment number 7. I hope you have understood the complete experiment. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.